If you're concerned about thinning hair, you're not alone. It's a common issue that many of us have to deal with. And the good news is that your diet can play a huge role in the health of your hair. I want to tell you about my favorite foods that can help combat thinning hair and promote healthy hair growth. But why does diet matter so much? Your hair is made up of a protein called keratin. And just like the rest of your body, it needs the right nutrients to grow strong and healthy. And when your diet is lacking in essential vitamins and minerals, your hair can suffer, leading to thinning, breakage, and hair loss. The key here is to focus on nutrient-rich foods that provide your hair with the building blocks it needs to grow. So let's dive into some of the best foods you can start incorporating into your diet to combat thinning hair. First up, we have fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining hair health. Omega-3s nourish your hair follicles, keep your scalp healthy, and can even promote hair growth. Studies have shown that a lack of omega-3s in your diet can lead to dry, brittle hair and even hair loss. So try to include fatty fish in your meals a couple of times a week to give your hair that much needed boost. Unfortunately, salmon is pretty expensive, especially organic salmon, and you do want to get organic with salmon. Farmed salmon are raised in awful and super dirty conditions and is full of toxins. So what I do is I buy wild Alaskan smoked salmon. It's much more affordable this way, and I'll have it once or twice per week. It's delicious on bread or a rice cake or on top of a salad, whatever. And it's ready to eat, super easy. Next, let's talk about eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein, and as I mentioned earlier, your hair is made of keratin, which is a type of protein. Without enough protein in your diet, your hair might not grow as well, and you could experience some breakage and thinning. But that's not all. Eggs are also rich in biotin, a B vitamin that is crucial for hair growth. Biotin helps strengthen the hair and prevents thinning. I'm not big on eating eggs in the morning. I've had the same breakfast smoothie filled with nutritious whole foods for many years. If you want that recipe, by the way, click on the link in the description box below, and I'll send you a free PDF. But I love my smoothie, and I like eating eggs hard-boiled as a snack. So I have one of those super convenient little egg boiler things. They're cheap, and this way I always have hard-boiled eggs in the fridge. Moving on, we have spinach. This leafy green is packed with iron, which is essential for healthy hair. Iron helps your red blood cells carry oxygen to your hair follicles, which is crucial for growth. Spinach is also rich in vitamin A, which helps your skin glands produce sebum. That's the oily substance that keeps your scalp moisturized and your hair healthy. Without enough vitamin A, your hair can become dry and brittle, so leafy greens like spinach should definitely be on your weekly grocery list. I put some frozen organic spinach in my breakfast smoothie every single day. I cannot taste that it's in there, and that way I get dark leafy vegetables every single day. And with spinach, it's also important to get organic. It's not important to get organic with everything, but with spinach, it's actually a part of the Dirty Dozen, which is a list published annually by the Environmental Working Group, EWG, that identifies the 12 fruits and vegetables in the United States that are most likely to contain pesticide residues. And this list is based on tests conducted by the U.S. Department of Agriculture and the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. And I find that frozen organic chopped spinach is the most affordable way to get spinach. So next we have nuts, especially walnuts, which I love and are rich in vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your hair and scalp from damage. Vitamin E also improves blood circulation to the scalp, which can support hair growth. And let's not forget about the healthy fats found in these foods, right? Omega-3s and other healthy fats help nourish the scalp and keep your hair moisturized from the inside out. I also throw walnuts in my breakfast smoothie because otherwise I forget to include them in my diet. So I throw them in the smoothie, done. Walnuts also have a ton of other benefits. They are good for our heart and brain function. They're a good source of fiber, which supports digestive health by promoting healthy gut bacteria, and walnuts are packed with antioxidants, including polyphenols, which help fight oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, which is great for anti-aging or aging more slowly. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, including heart disease, cancer, diabetes, so consuming walnuts may help reduce these risks. Second to last, we have avocados. They are another superfood when it comes to hair health. They're loaded with healthy fats, which help keep your hair soft and moisturized. Plus, avocados are a great source of vitamin E, as we just mentioned earlier, is key for protecting your hair from damage. Avocados are also packed with vitamins and minerals that nourish your scalp and support hair growth, making them an excellent addition to your diet. And last, we have pumpkin seeds. They contain several nutrients that contribute to hair health. Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of zinc, which is a mineral that plays a crucial role in hair tissue growth and repair. Zinc also helps maintain the oil glands around the hair follicles, which can promote healthier and stronger hair. Zinc deficiency is linked to hair loss and can lead to poor scalp conditions. I just made an entire video about zinc and the importance of zinc when it comes to losing your hair, so check that out here if you want. Or is it here? I always forget. Pumpkin seeds also contain magnesium. Magnesium helps promote hair follicle health by improving circulation and by supporting overall scalp health. A healthy scalp is essential for strong and vibrant hair growth. They contain a good amount of omega-3 and omega-5 fatty acids, which we just talked about with salmon. These essential fatty acids found in pumpkin seeds can help nourish hair follicles and add moisture to the scalp, potentially reducing dryness and promoting a healthier scalp environment for hair growth. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and carotenoids. These antioxidants protect hair follicles from oxidative stress, which can cause hair thinning and hair loss. Vitamin E in particular, we already talked about it, can improve hair texture and shine. They also contain iron. Iron is vital for hair growth, as we just learned, because it helps red blood cells carry oxygen to the hair follicles. And an iron deficiency can lead to hair thinning and hair loss. So pumpkin seeds provide a good source of iron, helping to support overall hair health. And lastly, they contain a significant amount of protein, which is a building block for hair. And as we know, adequate protein intake is essential for hair structure, strength, and growth. So incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet can provide these nutrients, supporting healthier hair growth and potentially preventing hair loss. And by the way, for us men, pumpkin seeds are especially healthy since they keep our prostate healthy. So there's that benefit as well. So go snack on some pumpkin seeds or throw them in your smoothie like I do. So there you have it. These are some of my favorite foods you can start adding to your diet to help combat thinning hair and promote healthy growth. And hey, if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel and or give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.